How to create all over print t-shirts with Printify. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how to create all over print t-shirts with Printify. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Printify, you could also use the link in the description or earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Printify, it is basically a print-on-demand network that allows users to create and sell custom products with their own designs. And it offers a wide selection for over 900 products, including apparel, kitchenware, home decor, and pet products. And Printify automates shipping and fulfillment, integrating with popular sales channels like Etsy, Amazon, and Shopify. So now to create an account, just click the link in the description or click this Get Started for Free button in here. Then you will be able to be directed on this page where you can start signing in using your email and even entering your password or using your Google account in here. After signing in, you will be directed on this dashboard and it will show us on the left side panel some of the options to navigate. But to proceed, let's start first by clicking this Add a New Store in here. And upon clicking on it, in here it will show us an option, but just click this Printify pop-up store. And from here it will show you that you need to enter the store details including the store name and even the country of tax residence in here. Now, as you can see, I just enter here the store name and now proceed of choosing our country in here. And for example, Thailand, and click the next button in here to proceed. And upon clicking on it, the next thing that you need to do, or the step 2 in here, is simply add here the theme or choosing a theme in here. So let's say I'm going to click this one and click Launch Pop-Up Store. And upon clicking on it, from here it will show you that you need to click this My Products button in order to start adding your products. Then you will be directed on this page and it will show you that you have empty products in here. To start creating one, just click the catalog option on the left side panel and it will show you a variety of options in here, and I'm going to click t-shirts. And after that, from here it will show you the variety of options to choose from. But just click on the left side panel these print areas and click here or check these boxes all over print. As you can see, it is now currently here all over print t-shirts that we can navigate from. By clicking this one, for example, it will show us all of the details in this page, including the material that has been used, the price of this in here. And now to start designing, just click Start Designing button in here. Then you will be able to be directed on this page where you can start uploading by clicking the Upload button on the left side panel your own design from your computer files. But if you don't have yet any design, you can start creating using this platform called Canva. All you need to do is simply sign in your account, then just go to the search bar, for example, and search shirt design in here. And it will show you a variety of design in here that you can navigate. But at this point, I'm just going to select the template that I just customized in here, in which you will be able to be directed on the page where you can start customizing the design, color, add elements on the left side panel if you want to, add a context, and many more. But if you're now done, just click the share button on the top right corner to save the changes and click the download button below here to start downloading the file. And choose the file type also in here, which is PNG or JPG. And after downloading it, just simply go back to this page and upload in here the design from our computer files. Now after uploading, this is basically what it looks like. So it will pop up in here, or we can input it in our front page at this point. Or you could also go to the front left if you want to add it in here. Just do the same process of uploading a design in here. So basically, you simply print it all over this t-shirt, such as on right sleeve if you want to, left sleeve, back top, and many more. And if you're now done adding all over these t-shirts the design, just click the Save Product button to proceed in here. And upon clicking on it, you'll automatically be directed on this page. And all you need to do is to simply select here your mockups of the t-shirt that has been designed. Now, after that, just click the Publish button, or you could also customize the details a bit, including this pricing, if you want to change the retail price in here to enter or to increase your profit in here. For example, I'm going to enter here $69.99 US dollar, and it will show you in here your amount of profit margin, depending on the sizes, color, and many more. And if you're not done, just click the Publish button to proceed. And upon clicking on it, it will automatically be directed on this page. Then you should see here the product that has been published. So this is basically what it looks like. And if you want to see what it looks like when a customer try to click or visit our products, you could also click here the 3 dots beside this product in here, and upon clicking on it, just click here See in Store button. Then you will be directed on the next tab where it will show you what it looks like. So basically this is how it looks like when a customer try to purchase our product. This is our mockups picture with a design on it of the t-shirt. We also have here the corresponding prices, variations of sizes, color, and many more. But overall, that is just basically how to create all of our print t-shirts with Printify. Thank you.